Hello friends, welcome to Smita English Academy. I am Smita and you watching Smita English Academy. So today I am very excited to kick off a new series. This series name is From Zero to Hero. Okay, so in this video we are deal different ways, different technique, different resources how to learn English. So friends, if you are someone who waiting a perfect technique, a perfect resource, so this video very helpful for you. Okay, from setting your goal to getting your goal. Okay, so let's start into the video. So first technique is understand your way. Understand your way. Why you are learn English? Okay, why? What is the purpose you have to learn English? The purpose behind is you want to go abroad, or you want to speak someone, or you want to conversation with others. Okay, so first you have to think, you should to think why are you learn English, what is the purpose behind it. Okay, so you have to write somewhere, any wall, any copy, anywhere. There you can see when you feel low, when you feel low confident, when you feel nervous, or like I'm not learning English, I cannot understand, and I cannot getting fluency in this language, so I try so many times but I not understand, that's why I'm not learning. So you have to set your goals and you have to write somewhere. You can write comment section also. So many people are seeing there and confident and motivated also. Okay, so first things you should to understand what is your goal, why you are learning English. You want to teaching, you have to conversation with others, you are housewife and you are going parents meeting and you want to speak there with teachers, with anyone. Okay, so first you should to make why you are learning English, what is the behind reason. Okay, and other things, set your realistic goals. Okay, if you are set any goals, so you have to learn easily. Okay, so like this, today I am learning 3 words, 3 vocabulary. There are 2 types goal. One is short term goal and one is long term goal. Short is today I am learning 3 words and in 1 week I am learning 10 words, 10 vocabulary. And long terms in 1 week, every day I speak 10 minutes English. Okay, so you should to set your goals, realistic goals who can achieve you, not set difficult who can't achieve you. Okay, like difficult, I'm learning tomorrow 100 vocabulary. You have to learn in 1 day in 100 vocabulary, I can't learn. So if you are not achieving, you feel low, I'm not achieving my goals, whatever I am setting my goals, so how can I learn English, how can I speak English fluent in front of others? So first you have to set small goals. Okay, today I'm learning 3 words, tomorrow I'm learning 2 words or 3 words. If you are every day learning small step by step, okay, so you one day you have achieved your goals. If you are setting a difficult task like 200 vocabulary I learn 1 day, so you can't achieve, it's difficult for you and you have to demotivate it. So whatever you set, little things, first you have achieved this goals and you have to set another. Okay, first small goals, and if you are easy achieve, so you can again like little big. Okay, so this idea helpful for you learning every day. Okay, and another creating a balance plan. What is the balance plan? If you are going to visit any doctor, so they advise you have to take balanced diet if you want to fit. So if you have to take balanced diet. If you want to learn English, so you have to set your balance plan. Okay, what is the balance plan? So you have to try everything. You have to do everything like reading, writing, listening, or speaking also. Okay, if you are only listening and can't speaking, so how you improve your English? If you are only speaking and you don't know many words, many vocabulary, so you that time you hesitation, that time you don't coming mind the words. Okay, so everything is important, writing, listening, or speaking. Okay, so everything. So you have to make a balanced plan. So you have to try your ways, like I like reading. Okay, I like reading, so you have to reading first and then you are listening. Okay, there are many resources in YouTube, in other platform also. So you have to try. If you want to do something, you have not too much time, so if you are cooking food, while cooking food you have to listen. Okay, while taking breakfast you have to listen. While going walk you have to take earphone and you have to listen any broadcast, any conversation video. So this technique also helpful for you. Okay friends, try find your ways. Okay, whatever you like, first you do that things. So this technique also helpful for you. So try to this method a lot, whatever you like. If okay, so remember, every step is important to learning English or you achieving your goals, achieving anything. Okay, so I hope friends you like this video. If you like video, one like. If you are new here, one subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please write in the comment section why are you learning English, what is your goals. Okay, so thank you for watching.